Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to get your funnel page URL in Gohighlevel. Knowing how to find and share your funnel link helps us promote offers, run ads, and send traffic directly to our pages. Let's get started. On the Gohighlevel dashboard, go to the left side and select Sites. Click Sites, and here you will see a template. If there is no template or funnel yet, just click Create New Funnel. We can choose from blank, Funnel AI, or templates. For this tutorial, we will continue without using templates. After choosing a new template, select Template. When finished, and after choosing Template, it will be added to our templates. For example, if we already have a funnel, let's go back. Let's go back to Sites. Here, we can see two funnels. Just choose one of them. If we want to edit the landing page, click Edit, and we will be redirected to the editing page in Gohighlevel. Once here, to view the funnel link, click the eye icon. You will see an I button logo. Click it, and you will be redirected to your page as a demo. Here, we can see the URL. Just click Copy and share it wherever needed. This is our URL. And that's how we get the funnel page URL in Gohighlevel. Once we have the correct link, we can share it across marketing channels.